Hibiscus tea represents one of nature's most powerful healing beverages. This remarkable herbal infusion, crafted from Hibiscus subderifa flower petals, delivers extraordinary health benefits that have captured researchers' attention globally. What we are about to share comes from science, experience, and the deep wisdom of Barbara O'Neill, an internationally respected health educator and nutritionist who has dedicated her life to natural healing. She has spent decades teaching people how to use food as medicine, and what she discovered about hibiscus tea will absolutely amaze you. This gorgeous ruby red tea offers a delightfully tart flavor that can be enjoyed hot or cold. Scientific research has unveiled numerous health benefits of regular hibiscus tea consumption, including naturally regulating blood pressure, combating bacteria, and supporting weight management. Today we'll explore 10 incredible health benefits of hibiscus tea that will inspire you to make this powerful beverage part of your wellness routine. Benefit number 1. Powerhouse of antioxidants. Hibiscus tea stands as one of nature's most potent antioxidant-rich beverages, containing an impressive array of protective compounds that wage war against dangerous free radicals throughout your body. These harmful molecules constantly attack your cells, causing oxidative stress that accelerates aging and contributes to numerous chronic diseases. The remarkable antioxidant profile of hibiscus tea includes anthocyanins, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds that work synergistically to neutralize these cellular threats. Research demonstrates that hibiscus extract can dramatically increase your body's natural antioxidant enzyme production, while simultaneously reducing free radical damage by up to 92%. This extraordinary protective effect helps preserve cellular integrity, supports healthy aging, and reduces your risk of developing chronic inflammatory conditions. Laboratory studies have also revealed that hibiscus leaves contain exceptionally high levels of antioxidant compounds, making every cup of this vibrant tea a powerful defense against cellular damage. Benefit number 2. Natural blood pressure regulation. One of hibiscus tea's most celebrated and scientifically validated benefits involves its remarkable ability to naturally lower blood pressure levels. High blood pressure, often called the silent killer, places tremendous strain on your cardiovascular system and significantly increases your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious health complications. Multiple clinical studies have consistently demonstrated hibiscus tea's effectiveness in reducing both systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings. In one groundbreaking study, participants with elevated blood pressure consumed hibiscus tea daily for 6 weeks and experienced significant reductions in their systolic blood pressure measurements. Another comprehensive review, analyzing 5 separate studies, found that hibiscus tea consumption led to average decreases of 7.58 millimeters of mercury in systolic pressure and 3.53 millimeters of mercury in diastolic pressure. This natural blood pressure reduction occurs without the side effects commonly associated with pharmaceutical interventions, making hibiscus tea an excellent complementary approach to cardiovascular health management. Benefit number 3. Supports healthy cholesterol levels. Hibiscus tea demonstrates remarkable potential in supporting healthy cholesterol profiles, which represents another crucial factor in maintaining optimal cardiovascular health. Multiple research studies have investigated hibiscus tea's effects on blood lipid levels, with many showing promising results for individuals struggling with cholesterol imbalances. The bioactive compounds in hibiscus appear to influence cholesterol metabolism in ways that promote healthier lipid profiles. Some studies have shown that regular hibiscus tea consumption can help increase beneficial HDL cholesterol levels, while simultaneously reducing harmful LDL cholesterol and triglyceride concentrations. These improvements in cholesterol ratios contribute to better overall cardiovascular health and reduced risk of heart disease. However, it's important to note that research results have varied, and hibiscus tea appears to be most effective for individuals with specific metabolic conditions rather than serving as a universal cholesterol-lowering solution. Benefit number 4. Promotes optimal liver function. Your liver performs over 500 vital functions in your body, making liver health absolutely crucial for overall wellness. Hibiscus tea offers remarkable support for liver function and helps maintain this vital organ's efficiency in processing toxins, metabolizing nutrients, and producing essential proteins. Research has shown that regular hibiscus tea consumption can significantly improve liver health markers and protect against liver damage. One particularly impressive study involving overweight participants found that consuming hibiscus tea for 12 weeks led to notable improvements in liver steatosis, a condition characterized by excessive fat accumulation in liver cells that can progress to liver failure if left untreated. Additional research has demonstrated that hibiscus extract can increase the concentration of important detoxifying enzymes in the liver by up to 65%, enhancing your body's natural ability to eliminate harmful substances and maintain optimal liver function. Benefit number 5. Natural weight management support. Hibiscus tea offers powerful support for healthy weight management through multiple mechanisms that address various aspects of metabolism and fat storage. Numerous studies have investigated hibiscus tea's effects on body composition, consistently showing positive results for individuals seeking to maintain or achieve a healthy weight. The compounds in hibiscus tea appear to influence genes involved in lipid metabolism, promoting more efficient fat burning and reducing the formation of new fat cells. Regular hibiscus tea consumption has been shown to help reduce body weight, decrease body fat percentage, lower body mass index, and improve waist-to-hip ratios. These beneficial effects occur through hibiscus tea's ability to regulate metabolism-related genes, enhance fat elimination processes, and reduce the size of existing fat cells. Additionally, hibiscus tea's anti-inflammatory properties help control cortisol levels, the stress hormone that contributes to abdominal fat storage and weight gain. Benefit number 6. Powerful immune system enhancement. Hibiscus tea provides exceptional support for your immune system through its rich concentration of vitamin C and potent antibacterial properties. A strong immune system serves as your body's primary defense against infections, viruses, and other harmful pathogens that threaten your health. The vitamin C content in hibiscus tea rivals that of many citrus fruits, providing essential support for immune cell function and antibody production. The antibacterial compounds in hibiscus tea work synergistically with vitamin C to create a powerful foundation for immune system strength, helping protect you from common illnesses like colds, flu, and respiratory infections. Hibiscus tea also contains iron, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy red blood cell production and supporting overall immune function. Regular consumption of this immune-boosting beverage can help keep your body's natural defenses strong and resilient. Benefit number 7. Promotes radiant skin health. The exceptional antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties of hibiscus tea make it a powerful ally for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. These beneficial compounds work together to combat free radicals and harmful bacteria that can cause various skin problems, including acne, eczema, and allergic reactions. The high vitamin A and vitamin C content in hibiscus tea provides additional support for skin healing and regeneration. Regular hibiscus tea consumption can help treat existing skin issues like scars, blemishes, and sun damage while preventing new problems from developing. The tea's natural compounds help maintain proper skin hydration, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and slow down the aging process. Many people notice improvements in their skin's texture, tone, and overall appearance after incorporating hibiscus tea into their daily routine. Benefit number 8. Digestive health support. Hibiscus tea offers gentle yet effective support for digestive health, particularly in preventing and relieving constipation. The natural compounds in hibiscus tea help promote healthy bowel movements by supporting the elimination of waste products and dead cells from the digestive system. This cleansing action helps maintain optimal digestive function and prevents the buildup of toxins that can contribute to various health problems. The fiber-like properties of hibiscus tea help add bulk to stool and promote regular bowel movements, making it an excellent natural remedy for individuals struggling with occasional constipation. Additionally, hibiscus tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe digestive irritation and promote overall gut health. Many people find that drinking hibiscus tea regularly helps maintain comfortable and regular digestion. Benefit number 9. Natural menstrual support. For women experiencing menstrual discomfort, hibiscus tea offers gentle, natural relief from cramps and pain associated with monthly cycles. The natural compounds in hibiscus tea help relax smooth muscle tissue and reduce inflammation, which can significantly decrease menstrual cramping and discomfort. This makes hibiscus tea an excellent alternative to over-the-counter pain medications for managing menstrual symptoms. The proteins and carbohydrates in hibiscus tea provide additional support during menstruation by helping to balance hormones and reduce the intensity of cramps. Many women find that drinking hibiscus tea regularly throughout their cycle helps minimize menstrual pain and creates a more comfortable monthly experience. The tea's natural muscle-relaxing properties make it particularly effective when consumed warm during times of discomfort. Benefit number 10. Satisfying and craving-curbing properties. Beyond its impressive health benefits, hibiscus tea serves as an excellent tool for managing food cravings and supporting healthy eating habits. This flavorful herbal beverage provides a satisfying, naturally sweet and tart taste that can help curb desires for sugary snacks and desserts. The complex flavor profile of hibiscus tea changes the taste in your mouth, making it easier to resist unhealthy food cravings. Hibiscus tea is incredibly versatile and easy to prepare at home. Simply add dried hibiscus petals to hot water, steep for 5 to 7 minutes, strain and enjoy. The tea can be sweetened with natural honey or enhanced with fresh lime juice to balance its natural tartness. Whether enjoyed hot or cold, hibiscus tea provides a delicious calorie-free beverage option that supports your health goals while satisfying your taste buds. Hibiscus tea represents one of nature's most remarkable healing beverages, offering an impressive array of health benefits supported by scientific research and centuries of traditional use. From its powerful antioxidant properties and cardiovascular support to its ability to promote healthy weight management and radiant skin, this vibrant red tea deserves a place in everyone's daily wellness routine. Are you ready to experience the incredible benefits of hibiscus tea for yourself? We'd love to hear about your experience with this amazing beverage in the comments below. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more natural health content, and don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who could benefit from learning about hibiscus tea's remarkable healing properties. Stay healthy and keep exploring the wonderful world of natural wellness.